Dofi's Outlaw Kitchen, where today we're gonna do a healthy sauteed salmon and cauliflower. We have salmon, which is our Alaskan salmon, and then we have our cauliflower. That's gonna be the base of our recipe. Then we have, of course, our pepper and our salt. And then lastly, we have our garlic salt and our fresh basil. And we have our cheese. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and start sauteing our fish skin side up. And we're gonna add our garlic salt and our pepper. And we're gonna have to go for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's done pink on the meat side, and then we'll flip it over to the skin side to get a nice crushed salmon. We're gonna go ahead and get it off, nice and easy, not to rip anything. We're gonna go ahead and flip it. What we're gonna do now is add our pepper and our salt to the top side of our salmon. Nice and easy. And what I like to do now, if you have some lying around, get yourself a little lemon juice. And we're gonna add a little lemon juice on top just to kiss it, just like that. You're not gonna make the flavor of the salmon pop a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and start adding our cauliflower. And we're gonna saute this down. And we're gonna go ahead and add our goat cheese on top. And we're gonna go ahead and start mixing it in. Just working it around, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead, add a little bit of garlic salt and red pepper flakes. All right. Salmon and our cauliflower. Only thing left to do, give a little salt where you love right there. And there we go. Sauteed salmon with cauliflower, nice and healthy. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, share, subscribe.
Hey, I see you watching. Hey, while you're watching, why don't you click there and subscribe? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.